Okay. Yeah, this is a house, old house in Port Huron. We got a furnace issue back here. Oh, and the cat's in here. Alright, she had just acquired this house. We've done work on this thing before, but I haven't. And got two furnaces twinned. One's running, the other one is not. I don't know if the blower's running on it. Looks like the blower's running, but the heat side is not running on it. It's got a twinning kit, so I know it's got power. Got power there, got power there, that furnace is running, this one is not. Let's just give it a try. Nope, not the one at switch. Alright, so we're gonna have to figure out why this is not running. The filter was absolutely packed. So I got some new filters here. So let's kind of get into it. See what we can come up with. Let me just make sure this blower wheel is not running backwards. No, the blower wheel's not running backwards. Got a twinning kit on it, so maybe we got a bad relay. We will see. God. Whoa. Wow. So it's got the twinning kit right here. This is part of it. Limit, lower limit. Let's see. So I gotta figure out why. W. I'm gonna figure out why. So that's my master, this is my slave furnace. So I gotta figure out why, or if I'm not getting voltage over here to the W terminal. So let me get these things back up and running. Alright, so one's starting up, the other one should start up too. Not getting voltage. voltage going that way from this furnace on the W wire. Oh. So hello. So if I track my wire back, got my white wire. Got my white wire going over here to this relay right here. And it looks like a rat's nest of wire. So the black wire, I think 1 and 3 is my coil. So let's get it started back up and see if I have voltage on the coil. If I got voltage on the coil, my relay is bad. So if I go common, so no boy, I got to track back wires here. I got this black wire, which is, I don't know. This black wire hooked up to this thermostat wire here. I don't know where that comes from though. So I don't have power on this wire. Actually, I wonder if they hooked this up to a different thermostat. Because I got this wire here. This is listed W on the white wire. So technically that should be under W, but they have it coming from somewhere on a freaking 8 wire. Technically, it should go here. So then if I turn this on, I gotta find out where that black wire goes and what they did. So if I go to common, right there, and that clips it on. I gotta find out why they had it hooked up to the black wire, which doesn't make sense. They need to run both at the same time. Let me track back this 8 wire, or this black wire, or yeah, the black wire and the 8 wire. So we figured it out. So what they did is they staged it. So they used this black wire, this white wire shit right here off that relay. That should have been to W1 the whole time, but what they did is they ran another wire from downstairs, or upstairs. This is technically the second stage, so the blowers would come on at the same time. It would do what it should, so it wouldn't run backwards, that one over there. But when the second stage would hit, it would turn that furnace on right there. The heat section, not the blower section. The blower section was already running, but we're going to change it. She doesn't like how it runs. She says it's too cool in the house and the air's too cool, so we're going to change it back the way it should be. Nothing was wrong, we just had dirty filters. So we're going to get this back together, let it run for a little bit, and we'll see if this thing is running okay.